Hey everybody, welcome back to Mohan Technologies. In our previous video, we understood the architecture of a local repository in distributed version control system and what are the messages will be populated before staging our changes and after staging our changes and after committing to the local repository. What are the messages that has been populated by the Git practically today, and before that we need to understand how to create the GitHub account and how to create the Git repository and how to create and how to execute the Git commands, and I will in detail explain all these commands today, and let us try to do it practically. And before this, if anyone has not watched my previous videos, please try to watch. And importantly, I believe that you have installed the Git in your local machine. If not, I will give the link in the description. Please do install Git in your local machine. Without Git we cannot execute any of these commands. Okay, so let us start this video. So in order to create a new account, you need to go to this particular website called github.com. Github.com. Go to this particular website. You will be able to see like this UI page, and here in above right side above corner you will be able to see something called as sign up. Here you can just see this and click on this. You will be able to get like this. Enter your mail id. Just enter your mail id here and you continue. Provide the password which should be strong, and click on continue, and then provide the username. I will give as Mohan Technologies. Okay, I will give as Mohan Technologies, and you prefer that receive an occasional update. Okay, you will get an update email if there is an update in GitHub, and you just need to verify your account. Just verify this and submit. So now if you create, if you click on create account, your account will be created here, and we just need to enter the code that is being given. So and then you can specify your whatever it is. I will just give as just me, and I will say I am a teacher, and I will give continue. And we have multiple options, so we no need to worry about this for now. Let us go with continue, and now just click on continue for free, and now your GitHub account has been created successfully, and I have created in the name of Mohan Technologies. I will give this account details in the description as well. So let us try to understand something using this particular repository. Okay.